Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find a general. Then let's scroll down again and localize this keyboard option, and here tap on keyboards. As you can see, in my case, I've got a lot of keyboards applied, so let me first of all remove them. So let's simply tap on Edit, and to remove the keyboard you have to tap on this minus icon next to it and tap on Delete. So let me quickly remove all of those keyboards, because usually you will have only one or two with the emojis applied. So now we have to simply tap on Add New Keyboard, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. So here you can choose the keyboard type, so it's completely up to you. Just tap on, just mark the option and then tap on this tick icon, and as you can see, our device will immediately apply it to this list, which means that we can go back to any kind of keyboard. So we can use, for example, the messages. Let's tap here, and basically all we have to do in order to change the keyboard layout is to tap on this globe icon. Right now we've got the English one, and after tapping on the globe icon we can switch to the Urdu one. So this is how to add the language, and to remove you simply have to follow my steps which I've shown you before. So in the keyboard, just tap on this edit icon and tap on this minus icon next to the language and tap on Delete. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.